मैं जब अपने बच्चों से बात कर नहीं है, समझ में आया? वैसे भी तुम लोग ना
Uba el hek walong udong ilam keseng BJP. Ulapan pawe ke Jingshah si halor ke Jingshah kem ki Arngut ki sister baru ulong bola phat ke Thoh shau menteri rangba ke jela Chhattisgarh u Vishnu Dio Sai ban Tuklar lem halor ke Jingshah kem ki Arngut ki sister. Ha ka Dirk railway station. Baru ulong bakim dan beta ai ban penklan niam jubor yanu nuru. Uba el hek ulong baki sister ki Shakri ya ka kampat ba na ke benta ke bahaga miat jong barok ki pat ba bat ki emlang salang. Baru ula kentu yu menteri rangba jong ke Chhattisgarh ban pelat nomor dor yakini ki Arngut ki sister.
छोड़ने आया, बेचने आया है, यही काम कर नहीं कहती हूँ, बाहर खींच के ले जाके मारूंगी, बता देती हूँ रोड में। क्या है देखो तुम, फाइल है देखो फाइल को, क्या समझ है? बोलोगे कि लगाओ? बोलेगा?
Discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Vishnu Dio Sai. I had requested him and also I've told him that I'm sending a letter to you, sir, for the immediate release of the two Catholic nuns which were arrested on the 25th July 2025 from the Dirk railway stations based on a complaint by the Bajrangdal. So the Honorable Chief Minister, he is very, very happy, and also they told me he will be taking all the positive steps and immediately to release soon to those two nuns. That is assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister. So today only I am already sending this letter to Honorable Chief Minister as discussed with him to immediate release of these two Catholic nuns. See, they are arrested. What is the issue? I will not be able to tell you anything, but it is my responsibility and duty. I have already written a letter to Honorable Chief Minister. I'll also discuss with the have a talk with the Honorable Chief Minister. He had assured me also that we will be release them very soon. I'm concerned only. I'm a BJP minister and I'm also a human being. So the human being should be given justice. That's all only I know. We cannot blame anybody like that. Even we are also here, we are running the government with the BJP only. So cannot be blamed like that, no. We are also here with BJP government. So how you will blame me like that? So that is my duty as a BJP MLA and also the National Executive Member of BJP to raise the voice of the vulnerable society. That's all only.
What is the response from the CM of Chhattisgarh?
He has assured me, the CM has assured me that we will release soon.
Habai keren bikin pathai kubor uba el hek ulong bakwa bantela kami ke jingwan rung kertep ki brio ke bana bar spok jela. Bad ulong bladadon ke an ke baklan bak ke baterai kamha kum ka MRSSA balai endon kam menkwa SKW pat ka an. Bad ulong bak MRSSA ke an ke baklan ba ban pet ngor bat perking ke jingwan rung ki brio spok ke jela. Bad ban pet dikna ke jingshngan ke nong jing okai perthai bak kita snong. Uba el hek ulong bak MRSSA ke kubor ke dor bar snong bak kita yang ban pet ke jingwan tuat ki brio na bar ke jela. Da ke bayada ke bah ke met kita jela baru ulong ban se ekran ha ke jingelang jeng ke kanhon menteri na ke bentaban penteri kampura ya ke MRSSA ha ke jela berokoi.
We said that we have a very good mechanism to bring the MRSSA, that it can be controlled the influx to the state of Meghalaya. And it is good for the tourists and it is good also for the local people. The MRSSA mechanism also is one of the good. Just try this. I'm telling you, it has a great immense help for the local people, for the state of Meghalaya to control the influx. Subject is same. We want only to control the influx. If we have this mechanism, why we want another mechanism? Let's have this mechanism and we control the influx and the safety of the tourists who is coming from outside and also the safety of the local people. But to bring the some mechanism like MRSSA, so it will be protect the influx to the state of Meghalaya, not only for the tourists which I told before, even for the local people also. And also we empower to the Shnong, we empower to the people, the the homestay people, we empowered everybody to check the influx.